Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Sovrn's Commerce Manager, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Sovrn's Commerce Manager, start by visiting the Sovrn website. Log into your Sovrn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Commerce Manager option in the main menu. Click on Commerce Manager to access the setup page. Review the introductory information provided. Locate the Connect Your Store button and click it. Choose your e-commerce platform from the list provided. If your platform is not listed, consult the Sovrn help documentation for alternative options. Follow the prompts to integrate your store with Sovrn. You will typically need to enter your store's URL and API keys. Once you've entered the required information, click Connect. Wait for the confirmation message that your store is successfully connected. Next, customize your product feed settings as per your requirements. Select the categories of products you want to display through Sovrn. Configure the settings for tracking and analytics if prompted. Review all the settings for accuracy before finalizing the setup. After ensuring everything is correct, click on the Save button. Your store is now connected to Sovrn's Commerce Manager. Monitor your dashboard for any updates or performance metrics. Check back frequently to optimize your settings for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.